Reinforcing rebar steel wire mesh is mainly used in coal mine roadway protection and reinforcement. Also using as concrete pavement in deck pavement and airport runway. Reinforcing wire mesh welding machine, also called BRC mesh welding machine, in construction mesh welding machine. The reinforcement mesh welding machine is used to make steel rebar mesh and road mesh and building construction mesh. With more than 30 years experience in design and manufacture, our BRC mesh welding machine is featured by high capacity, easy operation and precise control.